So today we have to discuss about not that. Today we have to discuss about circumference of a circle. Okay? Here today. This is a circle. This is a circle. So this is the center, the middle point now. Middle point of the circle. Call this as center. Okay? So this is circumference. I give you this. And you have to learn this. This is radius. Okay? Center, circumference, radius. Circumference means like if we take like as example this rectangle. Okay? The This is the perimeter. If this is 10, okay, if this is 2, this is also 10, this is 2. Okay. The perimeter means 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2, no? It's like 24. Okay. But in here, for the perimeter of this circumference, sorry, for the perimeter of this circle, this is a circle. So perimeter of this circle, we call this one as circumference. It's like a specific name, a special name. Okay, it's like a specific name, a special name. So this circumference of the circle means the perimeter of this circle. Okay. Yeah. So there is a formula to find out this circumference. Okay, this is radius. This radius, you can represent radius using R. Okay, circumference, you can represent this using C. So C equals 2 pi R. Actually, so 50% of this lesson is over if you can understand this part. That's all. Very simple one. Okay. So this is the circumference. Circumference of a circle means it's like perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. How to find that circumference? Circumference means C equals 2 pi R. Now there is new one. This phi. What is this phi? Here phi. You can write like this. Here, phi. Okay. When you are practicing these questions, okay, you have to use phi equals 22 over 7. You need this part. So phi equals 22 over 7. Okay, so you have to learn this part from grade 9 second term and until your O levels. Maybe in your A levels, you have to use this. Okay, this is important part. How to find out this circumference of a circle? That means like perimeter of a circle. This is the formula. C equals 2 pi R. Okay, pi means 22 over 7. Just okay. There is nothing to practice for this one. Just copy these three. Okay, I'll give this name. This is circumference. This name. Okay. First draw this one. No need to write radius. Okay. Okay. So we have to practice. Actually, we have to practice. Tarindi. Oh, you can't hear me? So, okay. Wait, I'll reply. Ah, 5, 5. 5, 2, 5 R. So we call this one as 2, 5 R. So delete, it's good. Okay. 5. We call this as how? 5, 5. This is not F, 5. Yeah, 5. Okay. 5. In singular, we use 5. Okay. 5, 5. 2, 5 R. Yes, Pude, Niklesh. Ah, okay, Niklesh. Here, actually, there is nothing to learn from this part. Okay, just you have to write. Hereafter, we are going to practice. That part is the important one. This one, just you have to write. That's only with it. Okay, so yeah, I'll teach other parts. Just you have to write down. Circumference of a circle. Can you read my letters? Oh, you can read from here. Okay, circumference means this topic. Circumference. Okay, circumference of a circle. Okay, done. No? Okay. So here we are coming into the questions actually. Okay. Ah, okay. We have learned another thing. This is radius now. Okay, this is radius. So this one, what is this? This this is diameter. Ah, you can't see. Okay, here this is diameter. Diameter. Okay, this is diameter. So, what is the relationship between diameter and radius? Okay, this is center. This is radius. This is diameter. Okay, this is straight line. So, what is the relationship between diameter and radius? This is R, radius. This is diameter, simple D. Actually, R equals simple D divided by 2. Oh, you can write D equals 2R. Simple D diameter equals 2 times R. Okay, this is the relationship. So just you have to write down this, and but we have to keep this in your mind. In your term test, your teachers will ask what is the relationship between diameter and radius. So what we have to do? I don't know about their relationship. Can you say? No, we can't. What to do? You have to write D equals to 1. Diameter equals 2 times R. Oh, radius equals diameter divided by. That's all. This is the relationship between diameter and radius. Why we are learning this part? What is the reason? because sometimes we are using the C equals 2 pi r. Okay, so sometimes in our papers we will get R, not you will have data for D diameter. There is no information about R. So what to do? Just we have to divide by 2. D divided by 2. Then you can find out. Then you can use this. So this formula. Okay. Just write down this and draw this and name it as diameter simple. Just for your note, okay? Then we are going to practice. This one is very simple. Yes, Fikra, very good. To the radius is twice diameter. Very good. Samir, in your school, Samir, you didn't start part 2. Oh, but it's okay, na? We already covered 2 lessons from part 2 no? Because we don't have time. Actually, okay, maybe. Yes, yesterday, okay. So, Dylan, okay. Sir, why do we put 2 in the equation? Is that an example? Lagging single because of lagging not single signal, no? Okay. Lagging signal because of the Hari. Why we why do we put 2 in the equation? Okay, 2 fire. It's like it's because of the equation. Okay. So Dylan, today how I explained that. So that formula or that equation developed by some person to find out circumference of that circle. But according to those theories, okay, so this is a arc. Okay, we can find this arc using pi r. This is only for Dylan. For this part also pi r. To find out this whole circumference, what to do? Pi r plus pi r. So 2 pi. Actually, this is the result. Okay, dear? But I know this is not perfect answer. You know why? Because it's a formula. So when you are learning grade 9 other parts and grade 11 parts, okay, so you will learn lots of equations of formula. Those are developed by some person. Okay. So also we have another one, but at this moment I'm not going to teach that. Okay. But in your course, if your teachers start this one, so C equals also pi d. But at this moment I'm not going to teach this. Okay. So after practicing several questions, so we will discuss. Otherwise, you can't understand. Okay. Then what to do? Here, find the circumference. R equals 7 cm. So how to find out the circumference of this circle? Here we have used C equals 2 pi r. This is the question. Okay. This is the question. So C equals 2 pi r. C equals 2. Pi means 22 over 7. Pi equals 22 over 7. Okay. Pi equals 22 over 7. Into R means 7 centimeter. Okay. That's the question. Find the circumference when R equals 7 centimeter. So this is the circle. Okay. R is 7 centimeter. So C equals 2 pi r. 2. Pi means 22 over 7. R means 7 centimeters. Okay. So what to do now? Here can you see? This is a numerator. Okay. So we can cut this numerator and this denominator. Here 7 times 1, 7 times 1. 2 times 22, 44 centimeters. Is it okay or not? Even it's okay with you. Okay. Anyone needs to explain this? Samir, yes, Pude. I'll send you there. Okay. If you want to repeat this again, then raise your hands, Pude. I can repeat this again. If you want. Okay. Note down this one. Next one we are going to do. Yes, Pude, tell me clear, no? Yeah. Actually, this is easy. Repeat, Fikra. Okay. Once. Yeah, it's okay, Pude. Okay. So, how did you get 2? Because of 2 pi r, no? This is the formula, Pude. That is a fixed one. Okay. That is a fixed one. So, yeah. Just we have to substitute that r on only r and pi. Okay. I'm going to explain this again. Okay. Find circumference when r equals 7 centimeters. Okay. So what we have to do, c equals 2 pi r. This is fixed formula. So c equals circumference equals 2 into 5 means 5 equals 22 over there. R equals 7 centimeters. Let's cut these two. You know why? This is a numerator and this is denominator. Okay. You can't cut this one and this one, this one and this one. But you can cut this one and this one. This one and this one and this one. Okay. Now it's easy to cut this one and this one, or this one and this one. So 2 into 2 and 2, 44. You have to use the units. You have to put the unit. Centimeter. Fikra, is it okay, Bude? Shall I give you some tricks? Okay. If you have r equals 3.5, okay. There is a question to find the circumference when r equals 3.5. Okay. In that case, it's better to use 3.5 means 7 divided by 2. Don't use 3.5. Then use 7 divided by 2 instead of 3.5. If instead of 3.5, it's better to use 7 divided by 2. For 10.5, it's better to use 21 divided by 2. 21 divided by 2 means 10.5. For 17.5, 35 divided by 2. It's a gift from me. Okay. Okay, find circumference when r equals 14 centimeters. It's your chance. Okay. Tell me, yes, Pude. Yeah, correct, Bude. Yeah, tell me, excellent, Bude. Yes. Fikra, excellent, Bude. Okay. So I'll explain this again. Here. Find the circumference when r equals 14. So what to do? C circumference equals 2 5. 2 into 5 means 22 over 7. R means this range is 14 centimeters. Then 7 times 1. 7 times 2. 2 into 22, 42. 2 into 22, 42. Into this 44 into 2, 88 centimeters. Okay. Hurry up. Then, yes, Bude. Dylan. Yeah, Dylan, excellent, Bude. What is your answer for this one? Find the circumference of the circle when radius equals 7 divided by 2 meters. Give me your answer. Yes. Somewhere. Okay. No, it's okay. No need to say sorry. Okay. So I'm here to teach you. So I can repeat this now. Don't worry. Okay. Samir and Sarah, here with it. R equals 11 divided by 2. So you have to find out that circumference of the circle. When R equals 7 divided by 2. R means this one. Okay? This is the R, radius. Okay. So this is the equation to find circumference. C equals 2 pi r. Circumference equals 2 into 5 means, okay, 5 means 22 over 7. See, I have used it, and this is a fixed one. 5 means 22 over 7 into R means 7 divided by 2 because this is the R. Just you have to substitute this R. 2 is 2. 5 means 20 over 20 over 7. Okay. R means 7 over 7. Cancel with this 7. 2 cancel with this. Only the answer is circumference equals 22 meters because this is a meter. Is it okay, Samir? Also, Sharindi and Senu? Samir, okay. What about Sharindi? Senu, okay. Sharindi? Okay. Senu, okay. Now, Sharindi? Okay. Okay. Note down this one, Bude. Okay. Find out the circumference when R equals 21 centimeters. When R equals 21 centimeters. R equals 21 centimeters. Vikra, excellent Bude. Samir, you have to check it again Bude. Niklesh, Chatumini, means very good, excellent Bude. Right? Okay. Here. R equals 21. So C equals 2 pi R. No? 2 into 5 means 22 over 7 into R, 21 centimeters. R means 21. Okay, this is R. So, what to do? We have to simplify this two. 7 times 1, 7 times 3. 22 into 3 is 66 into 2, 120. 22 into 2, 44 times 3, 120. Samir got that one? Or no? Okay. So, What do you think about this one? So you have to read this one properly and give me your answers. I told you about this one, okay? This one today. Yes, yes, I'm here, okay? So here, diameter equals 21 meters. Diameter equals 21 meters. So what is the relationship between diameter and radius? The diameter equals 21. Okay? D equals 21. So R means D divided by 2. R means D divided by 2. So R means radius equals D means 21. 21 divided by 2. Now R equals 20. If D is 21, so R is 21 divided by 2. If D is 10, R is 10 divided by 2. If D is 25, R is 25 divided by 2. If D 35, R equals 35 divided by 2. Okay. C equals 2 by R. 2 into 5 means 22 over 7. R means 21 over 2. Now, okay, 2 cancel with this. 7 times 1, 7 times 3. 22 into 3, 66. Centimeter, meter. I think meters, no? Wait, I'll check. Yeah, meters. Okay. Then, what about this? When D equals 35 centimeters. What about the circumference? D equals 35 centimeters. So, what about circumference? So, I'm here to teach you. I'm your supporter. Yeah. Senu, what is this 6, 7 means? The previous one is correct now. Senu. So, when D equals 35, so R means 35 divided by 2. So C equals 2 pi R. 2 into 5 means 22 over 7 into R means 35 over 2. R means D, if D equals 35, R means 35 divided by 2. Okay, always R means D divided by 2. This is the relationship between R and D. These two cancel with these two. 7 times 1, 7 times 5. 22 into 5, 110. Okay. Okay, thank you for the yeah. It's is it M? Ah, okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, so that means 110 meters. Okay. Yeah. Am I in the no? Actually, in here I can't do that. Hmm. So you have to try. I'm not going to explain in singular. So even though you are learning in singular medium, okay, but you are here to learn from me now. So you have to learn it. Also, you have to learn English. You have to get ready for that. Otherwise, you will never learn. It's like in your school, in not your okay. It's also for same for me in our schools when our English teacher came there. Okay, lamai potkan. Okay, but in university lectures start. Good morning, student. Take your notes and finally. Let's wind up today's session. Then after listening those final part again and again, so after 2 3 days, we know that let's wind up today's session means make it like that. Otherwise, you will never learn. Share it up. Subject never. So I also learned mathematics in single medium. I told you several times. But now, so I'm teaching in English medium. So you can do that. Dylan, excellent Budhi. So when is the interval? Okay. Uh, actually, yeah. Okay. I'll give you that interval now because already. Okay, I'll stop recording here now. Okay, Budhi. So now where I start that? Yeah. Messages. Name set not yet Budhi. Okay. So we have to start that perimeter of a semicircular lamina. Okay. So just note down our subtopic. Perimeter of a semicircular lamina. Now we are going to find the perimeter semicircular part. Okay. So okay, this is the semicircular part. This is R. Okay. So we are going to find the perimeter of the semicircular lamina. So this part is phi r. Okay. As I told you previously, okay, when we divide this into two segments, this is phi r and this one is also phi r. So then it becomes 2 pi r for circle. But in here, this part is phi r. This is r radius. This one is also r. So perimeter means we have to add this whole length together. That means perimeter of semicircular lamina. That means perimeter of a semicircle. Perimeter of a semicircle equals this is phi r plus this r plus r 2r. So perimeter of a semicircular lamina or semicircle means phi r plus phi r plus 2r. Phi r plus 2r. This is phi r, this length, and this part r, and this is also r. R plus r 2r. So phi r plus 2r. This is the semicircular part. Okay. Note down this one, Budhi. No need to draw this. Hurry. Actually, that theoretical part is over. Now we have to practice questions from this lesson. Listen, okay. The theoretical part is over. Uday, Dylan. Board is not clear. Okay, wait for this. Sorry. Is it clear now? Oh, no. What is 2r? 2r means Uday. Tell me radius plus radius Uday. Radius means r. R means radius. Okay. So in this lesson, r means radius. So 2r means radius plus radius. 2r. Okay. Okay. Didn't thank you, Budhi. I think time is enough, no? Do you need more time to copy this one? If yes, then raise your hands. Otherwise, I'm going to explain other parts, so we are going to practice. Okay. No need more time, no? Okay, thank you. So, now we are going to find the perimeter of this semicircle. So, radius is 7 centimeter. This is radius. Okay, from center to this perimeter, this is radius. From center to circumference, this is radius. Okay, this is radius. So, what to do? We have to find out the perimeter. Equals pi r plus 2r. We have to find this one and this one. Then we have to add these together. So r equals 7 centimeters. Okay. Pi equals 22 over 7. Okay. I'm waiting for your answers. Perimeter means pi r plus 2r. Can you try this one? I'll wait 2-3 minutes for you. One because this is the first one. Because this is first one, I'll explain. What you have to do to find the perimeter of the semicircle, first you have to find out pi r. Pi means 22 over 7. R means for the radius 7 centimeters. Pi r plus 2r. 2 into r means radius 7. So what to do? You have to cancel this 7 and this 7. No? This is multiplication, this is division. So 22 plus 2 into 7, 14. 22 plus 14, 36. You have to put the units in. Samir, okay? Senu? Amavindi? Vinuti? Dulita? Are you okay, Bude Dulita? Sharindi? Teumi? Teumi, is it okay now, Bude? I think you got this. Okay. So, try this one. This is your chance. R equals 14 centimeters. This is your chance. Now, so to find out the perimeter of the semicircle, this is the semicircle. This is 14 centimeters. Okay. So how to find the perimeter? Okay. Pi r plus 2r. Pi means 22 over 7. Always pi means 22 over 0. Okay. So okay. Then 22 over 7 into r means radius. This is r. Okay, this is r. 14 centimeters. Yeah. How should we identify this? This is the center now. Okay, this is r. Also, this is r. Then 22 into okay. Wait, what is not clear? Okay now. So 5 means 20 over 7 into r means 40 plus 2r. 2 into r means 40. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. 22 into 2, 44. 2 into 40, 20. 44 plus 28 means 72 centimeters. Samir, got it? Okay. So, we have to practice Please, today we covered these all theoretical parts of this lesson today. Now we have to practice this. Okay. So we already practiced this too. 7 and 14, the perimeter of semicircular lamina. We already do that. So you have to try these things. Okay. So this Sunday, I'm going to discuss about this. Okay. So this is the homework. You have to try these things. Just try. Try to find the answers. You have to find the perimeter. Okay. Read this. You have to find this. Okay. And this one. Like that. Just try how to do this. But I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to discuss these parts this Sunday. Hereafter, these parts. That's all. The lesson is over. Okay. Then hereafter we have to learn by the girls relation. No, any other lessons? Yes, Pude. Samir. Okay. Okay. So today, what we learn? We learn about the perimeter. Oh, circumference of the circle. No, circumference of the circle. This is center. So this is radius r. Okay. So this is the diameter. Always d equals to r. R equals d divided by 2. Okay. This is a relationship. Phi means 22 over 7. You learn this now. So perimeter or circumference of the circle means it's C. So C equals 2 pi r. This is the formula to find out this circumference. For this semicircular part, this semicircle or this semicircular lamina, this is R. Okay. So what about this? This is P. R plus R B. So why? 2R means D. R plus R B. Okay. So for semicircle, perimeter of a semicircle equals pi r plus 2r. This is the summary. Okay, Budhi, this is the summary. So I'm going to stop recording here.